Very important topic for tonight. It's because it's part of our good character that always to speak good words and not to speak bad words, because bad words, the people who speak bad words, they cannot go to paradise. Because paradise, Allah said in the Quran that only the people speaking good. So those people who have a bad language or bad mouth or dirty words always speaking, they don't deserve to go to paradise. So that was our topic for yesterday. That today our topic is about anger. I was seeing that many things happen, that some people, because of anger, they can do many bad things. They can even kill somebody, and they might kill themselves also. That's prohibited. It's haram or bawal in Islam to let your anger to go. It's not that you will never have the time that you are not angry. You can always get angry, but you need to control your anger, because anger is dangerous. Because sometimes people in anger, they can do the bad things. Even they can kill or murder somebody because of the anger. So the anger controlling, it's an obligation. To calming the anger, it's natural. Because sometimes you don't like something, then you naturally get angry. That is our in our nature, the nature of the man to angry, man or woman. But not to do something and let your anger to go on, and then you might do something. I was saying that somebody angry and then they can do something wrong. There are lots of incidents. Yesterday I was reading one story, and then many other stories happen. Like, for example, one day I was in UP, the University of Philippines. I was giving a lecture about Islam. Before that, a few days before, maybe, I think, before that incident. That incident also, there was somebody make suicide in anger also. And then before that, I was reading the one story that one man, he go to the Noveliches in cemetery, and then he and the woman who was pregnant, they make argument about parking. And the woman says some bad word. And then this bad word make this person very angry, this man. He go in his car, he get the gun and he shoot the woman. The woman and the baby in the womb, they died both. And that person was given death penalty also. So just for one bad word, and because of the anger, the three people died. The man, the baby in the womb. Because sometimes the bad words also makes other person to get angry. Kung you make them bad words, and the person who you are saying the bad words, that person get angry. And they can do something wrong. Now, what we learn in Islam, if someone is speaking bad word to you, go away from him. Because if you keep on staying there, you might get angry, you might do something wrong to him. Because that person is ignorant, and the Quran said, "Zakhatimul jahiluna qalu salama." When they are addressing to the ignorance, they say salam. Salam means bye-bye. That salam is not for greeting or peace be upon you. That salam means go away from that person. Salama. Depart. Even if somebody is speaking bad about, make mockery of Allah and His signs, Allah said in the Quran, Surah An-Nisa, walk away from them, don't sit with them when they are talking wrong about Allah. So we don't need to react on the words. We need to go away from them, so they can have a very good message that we don't like their attitude. So we go away from them. That's the best thing. Because if you are going to react on the words of the people, then you cannot live anymore. Because every day you might kill someone. Every day you might hurt someone, and you always be going in the jail also. You'll always be called by the police. So the people who have a bad tongue or bad words, don't stay with them. Go away from them, because their mouth is bad, and bad mouth and dirty mouth. So don't stay with them. But don't let your anger to grow with them. So you better go away from them, so you not lose your mind, and you might not do something very harmful, which can make trouble for you against the law. Then you will be in the jail. So anger is danger. The anger is Prophet Muhammad said, "La taghdib, la taghdib, la taghdib." Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. So do something for the anger. The best thing you can do, the Prophet Muhammad, he said, if you angry and if you are standing, then sit down. So that can lower down your anger. And the Prophet said also, if you are angry and you are sitting down, then you lie down immediately. So you can pacify your ablution. When you are angry, try to make ablution. Okay. And when you are very highly angry and you might do something wrong, the Prophet Muhammad said, go and take shower. If you are very, very high anger and you think that you can really do something evil because of your anger, galit, then the worst anger, the best solution, go and take shower to bring down that anger from you. Because anger is heat. And then the water can calm down your heat. So make ablution, starting to pray, to cool down your anger. Because the Prophet Muhammad, he told us it is forbidden to be angry. When you get anger comes to you, then you do something to control your anger. And the best of the control of the anger is your patient. Okay, patient in Arabic is sabr. The meaning of sabr in Arabic is also a mountain. The mountain is very strong, so they call it sabr because you are like mountain. When you have a patient, you are like a mountain, and inside the mountain it is a volcano. Volcano is like anger, and if you are strong enough, then you control your volcano inside, and you don't let your volcano to be exploded. Once it's exploded, it can make damages. So keep your anger inside and try to subside or to bring down your anger in different ways, praying or praying to Allah, or make ablution, take even very high anger, take shower, or if you are stunning your anger, you sit down. It can cool down your anger. Or if you sit down while you are angry, then lie down to get rid of your anger. Sleeping also, go to sleep and you can get rid of your anger. Because there are people, sometimes in anger, they can kill each other also. They can harm themselves also. Some people are very angry, they started to hit their hand on somewhere, they hit their head on the wall or whatever else can do. So Prophet Muhammad also give the very good advice. The strong person is not the one who can pin down his enemy. But he said the strong person is the one who can control when he's angry. When he's angry, he can control himself. That is the most strongest person who can control himself and who will not let his anger to go on and can be make dangerous for. And rest of the life he is going to regret for his anger. So very important message. We always need to be control our anger and not too angry. Usually in Philippines, people say that this person always angry because of the high blood. It is wrong ideology. It's a myth. The person is not become angry because of the high blood. Actually, the person who always angry, he is the one getting high blood. Okay, the anger is not cause of the high blood. No. The high blood is the cause of the anger. The person who always get angry, keep on angry, and he is always shouting and always angry, that person is going to get a high blood pressure because your blood pressure increases when you are too much angry. So it is even physically, the anger is destroying your blood pressure. Your blood pressure become very high, and even you can get heart attack, you can get killed with this anger also. So anger is the cause of the high blood. It's not the high blood causing you anger. No, it is in the Philippines. It's a wrong ideology that this person is high blood, that's why he always angry. No, it is not right. The right thing is because of your keep on angry, you become the patient of the high blood. So don't get angry, so you will not be get high blood. Don't anger in your heart will get weakened and your heart will get heart attack. Your heart will get heart attack because you keep anger in your heart. So keep your heart, no anger inside. Always be happy. Forget whatever wrong people did to you and then be happy all the time and don't keep the hatred of the people in the heart. Let your heart to be free from hatred, free from jealousy, free from anger. So your heart will not burn down like Shaitan, because Shaitan is the one who was given the name Shaitan before he was Iblis. Why he was Shaitan? Shaitan means a burn, a one who is burning. The one who is burning is Shaitan. So when you keep on burning your heart because of anger and jealousy and hatred, then you become Shaitan also. And when you become Shaitan, you will angry too much because the anger is the act of Shaitan. So don't angry, but always calm down. Even one of the sign of the munafiq, beside other signs like always lying or always breaking the promise or always cheating people, betraying, or one more sign this Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned. The person, when he's angry, he speak bad words. Okay. So yesterday our topic was bad words, not to speak bad words. And today our topic is anger. So anger and bad words are related to the hypocrite person. When he's angry, he started to say bad words. Kung galit siya, mumurahin siya. So that is one of the sign of the hypocrite. When he's angry, he started to say bad words. So not like this. Like example, when people like, they started to get angry. And then what they say, you are crazy, you are gagu, you are siraul or no. Control your words. When you're angry, no say bad words. Just calm down. Just be patient and not to say any bad word to people, rather to just keep silent. Sometimes the people are fighting to each other, talking to each other, that make increase the fight also. Like many countries in the world, the people, husband and wife fighting. So what is the best solution? When they're angry and they're fighting, stop talking. You stop talking can also relieve the anger also. Keep on talking can increase the anger also. The people, when they are fighting, what they should do is stop talking. Shut your mouth. Will not talk for a period of time, your anger will subside. But keep talking, he say wrong, then you say wrong, then it will become like a gasoline on the fire, and the fire will become more, and then danger will come. There might be something wrong happen. What I said about Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad said, a person, the one of the sign of the hypocrite, when he angry, he speak the bad words. So these are the very important topic. This is very important topic, not to anger. And same thing also, the people who always angry, they cannot live in paradise, because in paradise, people who are full of patience and full of happiness and no anger in paradise. So you really want to go to paradise, we need to have good character. Include it, like yesterday, no bad words and also no anger.